AI officially goes commercial. ChatGPT has begun rolling out ads, and let's talk about it. While AI has had countless breakthroughs over the last few years, this change hits differently because it alters not just what AI can do, but how the entire internet will work. In January 2026, OpenAI announced that it will begin testing ads in the coming weeks for two groups: free ChatGPT users and ChatGPT Go users. Go, if you're not familiar, is their new $8 per month tier. These ads appear below ChatGPT's answers, clearly labeled and visually separated, and only when the AI determines there's a contextually relevant product or service based on the user's conversation. OpenAI stresses that ads will not influence ChatGPT's answers, and they've implemented strict protections. 1. No ads shown to minors, and 2. No ads next to sensitive topics like mental health or politics. So why ads now? Because running AI at global scale is unbelievably expensive. ChatGPT now serves over 8 million weekly users, mostly on their free tier. OpenAI has committed to over $1.4 trillion in compute and data center investments over the next decade. What this advertising announcement signals is a shift from the old Google search economy into the new answer economy, where AI gives you the answer directly and the commercial opportunity appears beneath it. My first question when I heard about this was, who can advertise on ChatGPT right now? Like, is this open to everyone? Can I start? The answer is that only a very small hand-picked group of advertisers can currently test ChatGPT ads. There is no dashboard yet, no self-serve ad platform like you'd find within Google or Meta. There's no way to sign up to run ads, no tracking pixels, no reporting. The first advertisers in this early test get extremely limited metrics, basically impressions and engagement counts. And ads are crazy expensive. They're around $60 per 1,000 impressions. In other words, it's like the super premium ads you'd have on a football game or big sporting event. Apparently, to be part of this first test group, you need to commit to at least $1 million in ad spend. If you're like me, this might feel exactly like what streaming platforms such as Hulu and Netflix did. Premium ad-free tiers and lower cost tiers with ads. Sam Altman said back in 2024 that he never wanted ads to be necessary, but clearly that wasn't realistic. Previously, ChatGPT offered purely organic answers with no commercial layer. Now beneath that, a sponsored section is supposed to appear. For example, if you ask, what vaccination does a new puppy need? You'll still get the full organic answer, but now you might also see a sponsored offer for a puppy wellness package or pet insurance. The power of AI-driven ads comes from intent, not keywords like Google does. Even with ads, ChatGPT will only recommend or promote businesses it clearly understands. If AI cannot determine what your business does, who it serves, and why it is relevant to the question someone's asking, you lose visibility, organically and in future ads. This is where agentic search optimization, AI search, or ASO becomes crucial for your business. It's why I've been pushing so hard on it. ASO makes your business machine readable so AI can understand, trust, and reference you. Businesses that AI understands clearly will gain higher visibility, lower ad friction, more accurate recommendations, and better long-term positioning. Businesses that AI does not understand will pay more and get less. ASO is like building your business identity inside the ASI itself. So what does ChatGPT's ad rollout really mean? It's the signal flare. AI search has entered its commercial era. A new advertising marketplace is emerging beneath the answers people trust most. Business owners who act now, optimize their AI visibility, and prepare for AI-driven advertising, well, they're going to dominate the next decade. Be extraordinary.